What if I told you you can get fresh outputs in Google Gemini without having to repeatedly enter the same prompt on a daily or weekly basis? So let's say you enter a prompt maybe once a week, once a month. You don't have to do that in Google Gemini. It'll save the information for you with a tool called Google Gemini Gems. My name is Steve Mosley. I'm one of your EdTech leaders, and I want to show you how you can use Gems to get outputs to repeated tasks in seconds. And it's built right here into Google Classroom. So you go into Classroom. On the left, you'll click Gemini, and then scroll down past all this pre-made content here with AI. And down at the bottom, over on the right side, are the gems. Now, a gem is essentially a custom AI assistant you build and save once, and it's there for you to use for as long as you need it. So let's create a gem. I'll show you how this is done. We're going to create a new gem. So there's our gem manager, new gem. And let's keep it simple. Let's create a gem for warm-up questions and exit tickets. So we will just call our gem a teacher assistant. What does it do? Creates warm up and exit tickets. All right, and I've already copied some instructions. So this is the important part. You put your instructions in. Ours, you are a teaching assistant. When I give you a topic and a grade level, I want you to generate 3 warm-up questions and 2 exit ticket prompts in simple, student-friendly language. Simple enough. So we don't have to type that every single time we want our questions. So let's try it. We teach 10th grade history. So we're going to say 10th grade events leading to World War I. And that's all you need to put, just those 2 particular things. And it's going to generate our exit tickets and our warm-up questions, just like we asked it. And this one even includes a map, which is pretty cool. And you can use it for, of course, all different subjects. Let's go English. We teach 9th grade. What are we doing? Romeo and Juliet. And there's our prompt. Teaching assistant comes up. There's our warm-up questions and our exit ticket. Now we can get even more specific. Let's say we're just doing Act 1, Scene 1 of Romeo and Juliet. So we're going to go to 9th grade. Act 1, Scene 1 of Romeo and Juliet. Get more specific. There's our warm-up questions and exit tickets. Again, you save it, it's there. You'll see Teaching Assistant under your gems, and you can use it anytime you like. Saves you a ton of time. You don't have to repeatedly put in the same prompt. Thank you very much.